Good morning, students. I am making this video lecture for your unit 3 where very less portion is left for us to discuss. So after the topic of uses of groundwater overexploitation and surface water, we come to another topic which is known as the wetlands. Now what are these wetlands? Wetlands are actually certain shallow, temporary as well as permanent freshwater bodies. They remain underwater for certain period of the time and later on it is dry. So this could be found in various parts of Assam, and in local language it is known as Bil. The importance of wetlands are various. For example, the water could be used for drinking purposes by animals and birds, and humans can also use the water for drinking after purification. The water could be used for household purposes. Then a very prominent use of the wetlands are actually the habitat for animals, especially certain migratory birds. Then fishes are also found. Then certain wetlands are used for growing rice crop. Rice crop known as the deep water system. So in local language we call them as baudhan, and it is found in the areas of Nagaon. There are also certain Bil areas or wetlands where a certain period of the year the water remains stagnant, and at that time it could be used as fishery, and when it is dry then the land could be used for growing rice crop. So the uses of these wetlands are various, numerous. Next topic is the RAMSAR Sites or RAMSAR Convention. So a convention means a large gathering of people, political leaders, environmentalists, conservationists. They gather around a place in order to discuss about the conservation and sustainable development of these wetlands. Now RAMSAR is a place in Iran, and in the year 1971 this convention, RAMSAR convention, has started, and after every 3 years people gather around this place and they discuss about the habitat conservation of waterfowl, sustainable and well management of these areas. So worldwide there are about 2,400 RAMSAR sites. In India we have 47 sites, and in Northeast India there are 3. So in Northeast India, like we can see in this map, the various RAMSAR sites in India. In Northeast India, one is there in Assam, which is the Deepor Bil near our Guwahati city. Another one is there in Loktak Lake, that is in Manipur, and third one is in Tripura, that is the Rudrahagar. Next topic is energy and environment. Now in this entire unit we have learned about the various natural resources, both renewable and non-renewable. So among the renewable and non-renewable, the renewable are actually much more viable and as compared to the non-renewable, and because they are clean energy first of all. Next, they have less ecological footprint, carbon footprint, and the main point is that the energy source could be used again and again without depletion. So some of the alternative energy sources could be like wind energy, geothermal energy, solar energy, and biomass energy. Now in this picture we can see that till now the energy sources were various non-renewable, especially the coal and petroleum together with biomass. So till now the percentage of non-renewable was more, and very less scope is there for hydroelectricity and other renewable resources. So the scope is there, but it would take time for the conversion or more focus towards the renewable sources. In this picture also we can see that fossil fuels were used for about 79%, and renewable sources are slowly replacing them because alternative sources of energy are being used. So this is the scenario of India, and on the worldwide scope, so this is the worldwide scenario where we can see that India is having 7%. So this is actually the whole of the all over the world. So since India is a smaller country as compared to China and US, so even though it is small, then also 7% of scope is there. So in this presentation I have discussed about the unit 3, and I'll be making another video for a unit 4, and you all can go through the study material given in the group, and if you have any doubts and queries, then you can ask in tomorrow's online class. Thank you.